If you're tired of wasting time writing emails, struggling with replies, or trying to sound professional at work, then this video is for you. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to integrate ChatGPT directly inside Gmail so you can write smarter, faster, and more professional emails automatically. This method works, takes less than 5 minutes, and requires no coding. Let's get started. Main content. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. On the right side of your inbox, you'll see a small vertical sidebar with icons like Calendar, Keep, and Tasks. At the bottom of that panel, click on the plus icon plus. This opens a Google Workspace Marketplace where you can install approved apps and extensions. In the Marketplace search bar, type GPT. You'll see several AI tools appear, but for this guide, we'll choose ChatGPT for Gmail or a trusted equivalent like ChatGPT Writer. These apps are designed specifically to connect Gmail with AI writing assistants. Click install and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to grant permission so the app can access your Gmail to help generate email responses. Carefully review the permissions. These tools usually need access only to draft or generate content, not to send emails automatically. Once installed, you'll now see a ChatGPT icon added to your Gmail sidebar. Simply open any email. If you want help replying, click the ChatGPT icon. You can now type a command like, write a polite follow-up email for a job application, or respond professionally to this customer and include a refund offer, or summarize this email and generate a formal reply. In seconds, ChatGPT will create a well-written draft. You can edit tone, length, and format depending on your needs. Formal, friendly, persuasive, or simple. You can even ask it to correct grammar or rewrite long emails quickly. Pros of using ChatGPT in Gmail: saves time by auto-generating professional replies, helps with grammar, tone, and structure, great for business, customer service, outreach, and students, easy installation. No technical skills required. Cons: requires granting access permissions. Some versions may need a free sign-up or a ChatGPT Plus account for advanced features. Generated responses should still be reviewed before sending best option recommendation. Among all available tools, ChatGPT Writer and ChatGPT for Gmail stand out because they're secure, easy to use, and give accurate results without overcomplicating your email workflow. If you already use ChatGPT regularly, connecting it with Gmail gives you a productivity boost instantly. And that's it. You've just upgraded Gmail with ChatGPT. AI assistance from smarter writing to faster replies, this is a must-have tool for productivity. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full advanced tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.